Eric and David were school friends. Each of them has the choice to take $5 million in cash right now, or a single penny whose value will double every day for 31 days. David immediately thought of all the things he could buy with $5 million, like a big house, luxury car, and without any hesitation he picked his $5 million. But Eric was in no rush. He carefully considered the choices and opted for the one-penny option instead. From the day one, David started spending like crazy. He bought the latest fry, a big mansion, and left on the lavish world tour. He brought his great lifestyle and everybody greeted him. After 3 weeks, David still had about $500,000 left while Eric has accumulated only around $5,200 so far. Everybody was laughing at Eric for choosing pennies over the millions, and suggested him to take the other offer that was still on the day one, but he knew that slowly and steadily he would win this race. On day 29, Eric's single penny had accumulated about $2.7 million, still about half of David's money. But on day 30 and 31 some real magic happened. On day 30 his money grew to $5.4 million, and on last day he netted at around $10.7 million, double for what David had received. David was full of surprise and regret. Everybody started calling it David's overnight success, but he knew that it did not happen overnight, that he had to go through patience and consistency for 30 long days before seeing significant results. This phenomena is easy to understand, and the author Darren Hardy calls it the compound effect. He dictates that the tiny but smart and consistent choices made over a long period of time will be a massive and seemingly incomprehensive result. The compound effect is one of the most powerful resources on Earth, and it always on action, not only money. It is applicable to every aspect of life, field, health, relationship, business, skills, career goals, etc. Unfortunately these days we are used to quick services, like quick burgers from McDonald's, instant download from internet, and same-day shipping from Amazon, while the compound effect asks for the patience and long-term planning. So if you are struggling with sticking to for the long-term goals, I highly recommend you to the book titled The Compound Effect. Thank you for watching.